kids, once again I welcome you all on yet another class, and this is our EVS class. And can you tell me what were we learning in the EVS class? Of course we were learning about feelings and emotions, and in previous class we were learning about the feeling fear. Okay, but before getting into the class, I want you to do some actions. I am going to say the name of the expressions or the feelings. You have to bring out that expressions on your faces. Ready kids? Shall we? Okay, all of you show your happy face, sad, angry, surprised, fear. Okay, so these are the different feelings we have in our body, and we express it by every day in our life. So in previous class we were learning about fear. Okay, when we have fear, usually if we are caught in some dark room, or if there is a heavy rain with thunder and storms and lightning, we feel fear. If we see some snake on the way or the lion, we feel very fear. Okay, but children, it's very important to handle these fear feeling. Okay children, but before that I would like you to one question. I would like to ask one question from you all, and that is, do you feel afraid often? Yes. Okay, but feeling afraid or feeling fear is good, because if we are playing in a garden and we see a hole near the root of the tree, what do? If we don't have any fear, we will put our hand inside the hole, okay, to see what is that in the hole. And if we have electric sockets in our house, if we don't have any fear, what do? We put our hand inside the electric socket, okay. But this fear acts like an alarm for us, okay. It warns us that don't put your hand inside thinking twice, because there might be some poisonous snake or poisonous insect in the hole. Don't put your hand inside the electric socket, you may get an electric shock. Okay, so this fear works as an alarm and keeps us safe. Okay children, but sometimes this alarms doesn't work properly, because sometimes we will be very conscious and we will be fear that there might be some poisonous snake, and if we see that, one fly will come out of that. Okay children, so that it is good that we should be fear of such things to keep us safe. Okay, but always getting fear, scared, frightened is not good also. Okay, because it may keep you from doing things that you can do. Okay, for example, if you are very brave, but how will you show your brave activity in front of others if you feel fear and you are not able to do that thing because you have fear? Okay, and yet feeling fear keeps you from doing the thing what you can do it, and you feel very sad and you feel left out. Okay children, so it is very important that it is not needed that you should always feel fear. Okay, but just remember that when you laugh at your fear, it will become smaller, 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 and finally one day your all fear will disappear. Okay children, kids, some fear are just in our mind, and if we make fun of it or investigate a little more on it, then we can come to know that, oh, this is all for our good things. This will be all right. Okay, for example, I am telling you a situation. We are watching the movie in the television. Okay, suddenly the power cuts off and there is all darkness in the room. What will you do? You will feel fear, you will feel scared, you will get frightened of the darkness. But instead of that, what you can do? You can turn on the torchlight or the flashlight. You will have light. Okay. And another situation is that it is very raining heavily with lot thunder noise. Okay, and lightning. You will feel very fear. So instead of doing that, what you can do, you can close your ears and sit near the window and enjoy the lightning. Okay children? And sometimes you may have fear of doctor. You be scared of doctor because doctor is going to put an injection. Don't think like that. You can think that doctor is a person who makes you feel better. Whatever he does, he makes you feel better. Okay children? So doctor makes us well. Doctor makes us healthy. Okay, if you think in this way, all your fear will disappear one day. Okay children, you are all such a daring children of senior class. Okay, hereafter, never ever afraid or scared or get frightened of anything children. Okay, so take everything sportively. But sometimes, as I said, that feeling fear is also good, because without thinking you should not put your hand inside the electric shock sockets, or if without thinking twice you should not put your fingers or hand in any kind of hole. Okay children, so that works as an alarm. Okay, now let's do the worksheet. Take out your conceptual worksheet, all of you. Check out your conceptual worksheet, skill book, and turn to page number 14. Okay, turn to page number 14, and on the top put today's date 31, 8 and 20. Okay, so what instruction is given? Draw any one given expression to show your emotions. So you have to draw any one expression. So there are pictures given, there are circles given against the picture, and two expressions are given on the top. So what is that expressions? Happy feeling and fear feeling. So seeing this picture, how do you feel? You have to draw that in the circle. When somebody offers you a muffin, how do you feel? You feel very happy, isn't it? So draw the happy face inside it. So don't make the circle for the face. You need to make only eyes and mouth itself. Okay, smiley face. Just don't make the circle, because circle is already there. All you need to draw is eye, eyebrow and mouth. Okay children? So happy face. When you see a snake, how do you feel? Scared or fear. So draw the fear face, fear expression when you see the snake. And how do you feel when you see a lion on the way? You will feel scared, of course. So draw the fear feeling against the picture of lion. Okay. Next, if somebody gives you a gift, how do you feel? Happy, isn't it? So draw the happy face inside the circle against the picture of gift. Okay children. So draw this, your fear feeling and happy feeling in the circle. Take a picture of it and send it in WhatsApp group. Okay children. So until I meet you with in the next class, it's your auntie saying bye, and stay sportively. Don't fear of anything. Stay happy. Okay. Bye.